This video is designed to outline the quick disconnect setup that I have for my water hoses. So let's get started and take a look at it. Here you see the elbow-shaped connector I have with the other half of the quick disconnect there. This also has a turn on, turn off the water feature, which is really nice to have. You can just turn the water off to your RV right there and turn it on as well. Here you see the other half of the quick disconnect on the hose, and it just pops up there and snaps in. When you get ready to remove it, you just simply pull down and it comes right off. It's really simple. I use a 0G hose instead of the white stiff hose. This one is water safe for you, so I think you might enjoy and like using it. I'm going to link the quick disconnects for Amazon for you, but here's what you're going to look for once you get on the link. It'll take you to this site to order. Like and subscribe for more of these videos. Have a great day.